One setup lang. So, mamaya, nobody will ask. I will not see anyone performing this procedure. Kasi
Hindi ko makita eh.
I can't see.
Nasa taas ka na, hindi mo pa rin makita.
Happy New Year!
Oh, wow. Nice.
Fountain!
Wow. Uy.
Ay, malas
So we let the air get inside the funnel. Will be complete combustion.
Let the air. Let the air.
Very irritating.
Inubo lang
Kaya
talaga.
may asma na kayo.
Inubo lang talaga ako.
Kahit nga ako wala akong asma na irritate ako.
Pinapay.
Yun lang, yung isa yun.
Joke lang.
Kasi naman TikTok.
Parang kinakatan. Parang kinakatan.
Okay, so you meet those procedures na sabi kong i-meet and then kung na yung mga ginawa natin dito.
Kasi lalagay naman ka doon, tubig to.
Nalagyan pa ng tubig to, ma'am, di ba?
Wala nang mix.
So, i-wash. Okay.
Okay, China daw.
So, mama, if burn completely, kami na lang, that group in charge will wash the funnel with water and then they're going to test it with a litmus paper.
Ano?
Paddle lang yung dito.
Ay, para hindi na so it has completely burned. Kasi
Natin.